Hello everyone, it's Dan here from Thomas Road Support. In this video I'm going to take you through installing and setting up Peter for WordPress. Now what we've got at the moment is just a basic WordPress installation. It's fresh, it's got no content. I have already got the theme installed, but we'll show you how to do that anyway. And what we're going to do is take you through the process of installing the theme, activating it, importing the demo data, and basically getting everything set up just like the demo. So to begin with, we're going to head into our dashboard, and to do that we can hit the dashboard link in the admin here. And although I've got the theme installed, as you can see here, the process of installing it is very straightforward. Simply go to Add New, Upload Theme, and browse your local directory which you downloaded from Theme Forest, and within there you'll find the theme zip itself. Just upload that, hit install, and away you go. Once ready, you can actually activate the theme. Before we go any further, let me just open up the front end of the site so you can see what to expect. Okay, so on initial activation you'll see obviously the entire design is completely changed. We've got just a basic empty menu, the standard default post that's there. What we're going to do now is actually go through and import all of the demo content and just get things set up just like you saw. So back in the admin area, you'll notice this notice at the top here. Basically that's asking you to install a few plugins. A couple of them are required and a couple of them are recommended. We just suggest to install all of them in one go. Firstly, we've got the MetaBox plugin, which is used to create these special boxes which control the theme. Next up we've got our framework, which gives you the custom post types. Then we've got the contact form plugin and one-click demo import plugin. Now, rather than install these one by one, what we can do is go to Begin Installing Plugins here, click this top of the column here to select all of the items, and from this drop down we'll choose Install and Apply. Now the script will go off and install each of these plugins for you one by one. This can take a few moments depending on the speed of your connection. What will happen as soon as it's all complete, you will see an activation notice at the bottom here. Now the one thing I will point out, in some cases, as you can see here, you may see a notice or an error appear during the installation of the plugins. That can be completely ignored. It just depends on your server's version of PHP. Occasionally it can produce a false error. Everything's absolutely fine. It's all working great, and as you can see, as I've been talking, the installation's been going and we've now got a notification to say it's all complete. So let's do as it says and return to the dashboard. Okay, so let's refresh the front and just see what's changed. What you'll notice is absolutely nothing has changed at this stage. I've just checked in here just so you can get an idea, if you're working along with this, exactly what to expect. So back in the admin area, now we've installed all the plugins, you'll see we've got a new portfolio area here. That's where we can create our own awesome projects. But what we're going to do now is import all of the demo data just to get things set up in one go. So to do this, we simply go to Appearance and Import Demo Data. And to begin, simply click the Import Demo Data button here. Now again, this can take a few moments depending on the speed of your connection. Depending on whether it's on a budget server, this can take a few moments. Just be patient. Obviously, if you want to, you can open up a new tab in your browser and browse elsewhere. It's just important to leave this tab doing its thing in the meantime. And while it's importing, I'm just going to pause the recording and be back with you shortly. Okay, great. A few moments have gone by and we can see this is complete. We've got a notice at the bottom here telling us it's all done. Now if we head to the front end of the site and refresh, you'll see the title and everything has changed. If we open up the menu, we've got the menu and everything all set up here, as well as the footer message, etc, etc. What we need to do is now go ahead and set up the page template, and to do this we'll go to Edit Page, and from here we'll choose Portfolio and Update. What that will do is tell the home page to use the special template we've created, and if you take a look you'll see now all the projects appear as expected. If you browse the rest of the pages, you'll see we've got the About page, the blog, and finally the contact page. Again, if we go to edit, so let's use the contact template. There you go. And that's it. If you have any problems, or if you come see me over at support, other than that, thanks very much for watching.